If you've forgotten your Steam password, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to log back into Steam, recover your account, and even what to do if you no longer have access to your email or phone number. I'll also show you a helpful mobile app method that can get you back in faster on your PC. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software and gaming guides. Let's start with the standard recovery method because for most people, this is the fastest and easiest way to regain access. First, open the Steam login page, either in the Steam desktop client or in your web browser. On the login screen, look for the option at the bottom that says, "Help, I can't sign in." Click that to start the recovery process. On the next screen, Steam will give you a few options, and you want to choose, "I forgot my Steam account name or password." This is the correct path if you can't remember your password and want Steam to help you find your account. Next, Steam will ask you to enter your email address or phone number. Type in the one linked to your Steam account, then let Steam search for your profile. If the information matches, Steam will usually offer to send you a verification code. You can choose to receive that code by email or SMS, depending on what recovery methods are available on your account. Once you receive the code, enter it carefully into the verification box. After that, Steam will prompt you to create a new password, and this is where you can reset your login credentials and regain access to your account. Now, if you still have access to the email address or phone number on the account, this method is usually very straightforward. But if you no longer have access to your old email or phone number, don't give up. Steam still gives you a way to recover the account by proving that you are the real owner. To do that, go through the same recovery steps again. Start by clicking, "Help, I can't sign in," then select, "I forgot my Steam account name or password." When Steam asks how you want to verify your identity, look for the option that says, "I no longer have access to this email/phone number." This is the key step for accounts that are tied to old contact details you can't use anymore. After selecting that option, Steam will take you to a support form. Here, you'll need to provide proof of ownership so Steam can confirm the account belongs to you. The more accurate information you provide, the better your chances of getting the account back quickly. Some helpful things you can include are the first email address ever used on the account, a CD key that you activated on the account, payment information such as the last 4 digits of a credit card used, a PayPal billing address, or even a screenshot of a Steam gift card you redeemed. These details help Steam verify that you really own the account, so be as precise as possible when filling out the form. If you're not able to use the email recovery method, this support route is often the best option. It may take a little longer, but it can still get you back into your Steam account safely and securely. There's also another very useful method if you are still logged into the Steam mobile app on your phone. In that case, you may not need your password at all to log into Steam on your PC. On the desktop login screen, Steam can display a QR code, and you can use your phone to approve the sign-in instantly. To do that, open the Steam app on your phone and go to the Steam Guard tab, which usually has the shield icon. Then tap the option that says, "Scan a QR code." Point your phone at the QR code shown on your PC screen, and once you approve it, you'll be logged in without needing to type your password. This is a really fast and convenient option if your mobile app is still connected to your account. So to quickly recap, if you forgot your Steam password, start with the standard self-service recovery process using your email or phone number. If that doesn't work, use the ownership verification form and submit proof that the account is yours. And if you still have access to the Steam mobile app, the QR code login method can get you back in even faster. I hope this video helped you recover your Steam account. If it did, please give this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.